欢迎跟我学中文。今天我们学习怎么说
If Mary Alice was having problems, she should have come to us. She should have let us help her. If Mary Alice was having problems.
假如 Mary Alice 当时是出了些问题。假如 Mary Alice 当时是出了些问题。
She should have come to us.
她应该来找我们。她应该来找我们。
She should have let us help her.
她应该让我们帮助她。她应该让我们帮助她。
我们先来学一下生词。
假如 Mary Alice 当时是出了些问题。假如当时 Chinese action words do not have tenses. So to recount an event at a particular moment, we need time words for a specific moment. 当时 is one of those words. 是出了些问题 This comes from a common character combo, 出问题. We learned 问题 in episode 12. 出 essentially describes an event where something gets out of its usual place. Out comes a problem, means a problem occurred. You run into a problem. Remember 出丑 in episode 1? Out comes ugliness, means getting humiliated publicly, or you humiliate yourself publicly. 出 is rarely used on its own, but it goes with a wide range of characters to form large number of words in everyday vocabulary. It's a must-learn word. We'll see more examples later. Back to where we were. 出了问题 ran into a problem. 出了些问题 ran into problems. 了些 So the whole clause reads, if Mary Alice at the time was running into problems. 她应该来找我们。她应该来找我们。来找 We'll also talk about this word a bit more later. 我们他应该让我们帮助他。他应该让我们帮助他出 out comes something. It goes with a wide range of characters to form many everyday words. Let's see it going with some of the characters from previous episodes. 出问题 out comes a problem, meaning running into a problem. 出事儿 out comes a matter, meaning an accident happens. 出去 to go out. 出让 to assign property. 出钱 to bankroll something. 出麻烦 running into troubles. 出错 making a mistake. 找 its primary meaning is to look for something, but it also means to seek out someone for the purpose of help, social engagement, or anything that person could do for you. 应该来找我们 should come and see us and get help. 您找谁 Who are you after? This can be when you're answering your phone or your doorbell. 请找 Mary. May I talk to Mary? This again can be on the phone.
好，下一节我们学习怎么说。
What kind of problems could she have had? She was healthy, had a great home, a nice family. If Mary Alice was having some sort of crisis, we'd have known.
If you find this content useful, please like this video to support my channel. 多谢各位的陪伴，我们下次见。